Hello to all my fellow PDR technicians out there. We just uploaded the latest video training module on repairing fender lips, edges, and how to address and prevent blowouts. Front fenders are a major income stream for my paintless net repair business, and they can be for you as well if you can master them. The problem is most PDR techs waste years trying to figure them out alone. In this video, I share 21 years of real-world experience to give you a complete system for repairing front fenders at a truly professional level. These are techniques that separate average techs from top-tier performers, and they're simply not being taught anywhere else online, at least with this level of clarity and detail. What you'll learn in this training module is how to work around fender edges without causing blowouts, techniques for cleanly straightening fender lip edges, fender to bumper realignment methods for seamless finish, when and how to apply controlled tension to improve your repair quality, and a full breakdown of the tools I use and where to get them. Stop guessing and start growing. Join us today.